If you've ever tried cooking on a weak portable stove that takes forever to heat up, or worse, unevenly cooks your food, you already know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're hungry and just want something quick, not a science experiment. So today, we're looking at the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop, a 24-inch electric stove designed for people who want a simple, plug-and-play cooking solution without dealing with complicated installation or expensive setups. This is aimed at apartment dwellers, small families, students, or anyone setting up a secondary kitchen space who wants flexibility without sacrificing performance. First impressions are actually pretty solid. The cooktop has a sleek, smooth glass surface with a clean white finish that looks modern without being flashy. It's the kind of appliance that quietly blends into your kitchen, but still feels like an upgrade from basic coil stoves. The surface is flat and easy to wipe down, which sounds small, but makes a big difference when you're cleaning up after cooking something messy. What stands out in the design is its flexibility. You can use it as a built-in cooktop if you're renovating your kitchen, or just place on a countertop with the included bracket and start cooking right away. That's a huge plus if you don't want to deal with cutting into your counter or hiring an electrician. It plugs into a standard outlet, which makes it far more accessible than many traditional cooktops. The touch controls are responsive and fairly intuitive. You don't need to dig through a manual every time you want to adjust the heat. After a couple of uses, it becomes second nature, and the overall build feels sturdy enough for daily cooking. Though like most glass-top stoves, you want to be a bit careful with heavy impacts. Now let's talk about how it actually performs in real life. The 2 burners heat up faster than typical budget electric stoves, and more importantly, they heat evenly. That means you're not constantly shifting your pan around trying to avoid hot spots. Whether you're boiling water, frying eggs, or simmering a curry, it handles everyday cooking pretty well. The 9 power levels give you a decent amount of control. You can go from a gentle simmer to high heat without feeling like the stove is guessing what you want. There are also preset cooking modes, which can be helpful if you're new to cooking or just want something quick and predictable. They're not essential, but they do add convenience. In terms of daily use, it fits in nicely. It doesn't take forever to start up, and switching between heat levels is quick. The timer function is surprisingly useful, especially if you tend to multitask or forget things on the stove. Being able to set it and walk away without worrying too much is a real quality of life upgrade. Noise isn't really an issue here, which is nice. Unlike some induction cooktops, this one stays quiet. Cleaning is also straightforward. Just let it cool down, wipe it with a cloth, and you're done. No gratas, no complicata paros, no hazla. Safety is another area where this cooktop does well. It includes features like a child lock, overheat protection, and automatic shutoff. If you've ever left the stove on by accident, you'll appreciate that extra layer of protection. It makes the whole experience feel a bit more forgiving, especially in busy households. That said, it's not perfect. Because it's a radiant electric cooktop, it doesn't heat as fast as induction models. So if you're expecting instant heat like gas or high-end induction, this might feel slightly slower. Also, the touch controls, while convenient, can sometimes be a bit sensitive if your hands are wet or greasy. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something you'll notice. Another thing to keep in mind is that while it works with all types of cookware, performance can vary depending on the quality of your pots and pans. Thicker, flat-bottom cookware will give you the best results. Compared to other cooktops in this price range, the Karinear stands out mainly because of its plug-and-play setup and dual installation options. Many competitors either require hardwiring or don't offer the same level of flexibility. On the flip side, some induction cooktops in a similar range offer faster heating and slightly better efficiency, but they often limit you to specific cookware and can be noisier. So who is this really for? If you want a simple, reliable, and flexible cooking solution that works right out of the box, this is a strong choice. It's especially good for renters, small kitchens, or anyone who needs an extra cooking surface. But if you're chasing maximum speed and precision, you might want to look into induction alternatives. Overall, the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop delivers a practical balance of convenience, safety, and everyday performance. It's not trying to be the most powerful stove out there. It's trying to make cooking easier and more accessible. And for the most part, it succeeds. If you want something that just works without overcomplicating your kitchen setup, you can check it out through the link in the description. And if this helped you make a clearer decision, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.